Less than 2 hours ago, Rudy Giuliani walked out of the Fulton County courthouse after sitting before a special grand jury to testify. Now, this is the same jury investigating the 2020 election and possible interference by former President Donald Trump and his allies.
At that time, Giuliani was both a personal attorney for Mr. Trump and an attorney for his campaign. Joe Hinkie was at the Fulton County courthouse all day long. And Joe, did we hear anything from Giuliani at all today?
Well, Jennifer, outside the courthouse we did. He answered a few questions there. What is unknown is if he answered any questions inside or if he decided to plead the fifth when he was before the grand jury. He left the courthouse after about 6.5 hours inside. Rudy Giuliani left the Fulton County courthouse from a secure exit out of public view. His Atlanta-based attorney, Bill Thomas, left moments later.
I can tell you that we were ordered to be here. We showed up. We did what we have to do. Grand jury process is a secret process, and we're going to respect that. We're going to respect that process.
Giuliani arrived at the Fulton County courthouse just before 8:30 and before the courthouse opened for the day. He was met with locked doors until a sheriff's deputy let him inside. Moments earlier, he answered a few questions.
We will not talk about this until it's over. It's a grand jury, and grand juries, as I recall, a secret.
Do you believe President Trump is the ultimate target of this investigation?
I'm not going to comment on the grand jury investigation.
What do you think their ultimate goal is here?
More about it.
What are you expecting to talk about here today?
Well, they asked the questions, and we'll see.
Fani Willis has been playing hardball since day one, so she's requiring Giuliani to appear even if he's going to do nothing but invoke the Fifth Amendment.
11 Alive legal analyst Paige Pate says Giuliani pleading the fifth to most, if not all, questions was possible after his attorney earlier this week confirmed prosecutors told Giuliani he is a target of the grand jury proceedings, meaning it is not guaranteed but possible DA Fani Willis could file criminal charges against him in the future. Giuliani, in addition to being a personal attorney for then-President Donald Trump and an attorney for his campaign, appered before a December 2020 State Senate committee hearing where he shared debunked election fraud claims with lawmakers.
Thousands and thousands of ballots in paper bags, in garbage cans.
I think she is perhaps building a much larger racketeering case, which would involve the false statements that Giuliani and others made to state officers, legislative committees, in an attempt to change the results of the election.
And Giuliani's attorney, Bill Thomas, is correct to an extent that grand jury proceedings are secretive. There is nothing stopping a witness or their attorney after the fact from talking about what happened inside the grand jury proceeding room. When asked if Giuliani pleaded the fifth or answered a single question from the grand jury, Bill Thomas said no comment.